Everyone, don't mind my hair today. It's just all goofy today. But today I'm going to show you what I've been working on. It's a little project that I do pretty much every Christmas now. I make Christmas cards that go to friends and family, and usually go out to people in the building of whatever I live in. Like the last couple of years, I've been making them for people in nursing homes that I lived in. So I'm going to show you kind of a few of the ones that I have made already. They're going to go to people probably in the building that I live in. Hopefully you can see them. Like here's one that has just a couple of snowmen on. And it says Happy Holidays on the front. And then inside I just write something. And this one just happens to say, "Don't let the behavior of others destroy your inner peace. May you have peace, love, and laughter all through your year. Love always, Wendy Dietz, apartment 110." And then the next one I have is a cute little gingerbread man. It just says Happy Holidays. And on the inside of this one, I have, "Christmas will always be as long as we stand heart to heart and hand to hand." And that's a quote from Dr. Seuss. And then, of course, I did the Love Always, Wendy, and my apartment number. Here I have one that says, let's see, can you see it? There you go. "Have a holly jolly Christmas." And it's an elf, if you couldn't tell. And on the inside of this one, it says, "What if Christmas," he thought, "doesn't come from a store? What if Christmas perhaps means a little bit more?" And of course, we all know that's from Dr. Seuss. This one just says Happy Holidays. It's a cute little tree. And the inside says, "The magic of Christmas never ends, and its greatest of gifts are family and friends." Now, I'm not going to lie, I got a lot of the images for these and a lot of the sayings off the internet, off of Google. So, I couldn't think of things to draw, and I couldn't think of things to write in them. Now, the snowmen I make every year. So that's just a thing I do. So I knew how to do that without looking at something. But I get stuck on what to write without writing the exact same thing all the time. And to me, that gets boring. And so I wanted to freshen it up. And so I got some quotes off of the internet. This one's a candle. Yeah, you can see it. And it says "Season's Greetings." And it says, "The magic of Christmas never ends, and its greatest of gifts are family and friends," just like the last one. All right. Yes, I have New Kids on the Block Christmas playing right now. It's mixed in with the rest of my Christmas stuff. Here's a Christmas wreath. And it says, "Blessed Yuletide. May your season be filled with love, light, and empowerment." And then here's a pretty Christmas tree with some presents underneath. Big red bag for me. What's he got for me? And it says, "May the love of the season be." Let me try to say that again. This is one of the ones I wrote myself, so hopefully it sounds okay. May the love of this season be left all year, or I'm sorry, be felt all year long. I can't say that, but I wrote it right. And it says Happy Holidays. And here's the first one I made this year. And it pretty much says the same thing as the last one, I think. If I can get it open one-handed here. Okay, it says, "May your holidays be filled with love and laughs that last the whole year through." So that's what I'm doing right now, is making these cards so I can hand them out. I think I have to make like 50 of them for the building here. And then, of course, I'm going to make family and friends. And I have a Reddit card exchange going right now, too. So I'm going to send one to her because I'm her secret Santa. Well, secret Christmas card giver. So, yay! And I saw Santa Claus sticking out of my back door. Last night I saw Santa Claus. Yeah, I know. Don't sing. All right. Love y'all. I'm going to get back to work. Bye-bye now.